I am going to cook this today, and it's so beautiful and amazing to have this to cook today. Chicken frame. Look, still have lovely meat. Thank God for this beautiful chicken frame. I love it. I want to have it once a week. My husband, that we always love to eat that. It's so delicious and yum. And I can't wait to cook it tonight and have it for dinner. Ooh, how delicious. I like the beef bones, lamb bones. I like salmon bones, and it's so yummy. I like the meat near the bones is one of the beautiful flavor in the whole chicken, and it's more moisture than the one that having the legs in there, but when it's near the bones, this is one of the delicious flavor of the meat is around the bones. So, and not only that, you're gonna help your body stronger on your bones when you eat it, and you and all the lovely nice bones in the side is so delicious. I want you to watch more of our YouTube channel and give God the glory. Stay beside God's side, and everyone can be holy. Everyone can be a saint. Everyone can become a child of God. And if you want to be a child of God, keep watching some of my videos, because I'm not only talking about my cooking and how praise I am to God for the food that we have, the whole world give to us every day. Remember the time when we having the COVID, we were suffering, run out of lots of products, but we have to glorify God that now we're not much people sick of COVID now. We have to thank God for the healing, and people are changed their lives to go church, and people more love God and Jesus and thank Him, because without Jesus we won't have any lovely yummy food to eat. We won't be here. No generations from God to us. So we have to glorify Him and thank Him for everything that we have. That's why I decided to do my cook and show it, and the world can see, and more people will subscribe. If you're having food to cook for the day and you feel amazed for the takeaway that you have, or whatever you have, we have praise God and thank God. Without Jesus, it show on the Genesis, because it show on the Bible, because God loved Jesus. That's why He created mankind, and He created everything because of His love for Jesus. See, everything because of Jesus. If without Jesus, He loved Jesus, we won't have anything. There's no world, nothing. This will still dull, and we won't be accessed. So, if you love our channel, share more, subscribe, and comment, and tell God how much you happy for the food that you have in your family. And I thank you for all of you that following us, sharing our stories in our YouTube, and hopefully it grows more people to save to God. And it is amazing that lots of people love God, and I'm so happy in the Lord. I want to go heaven, and if you want to go heaven, please come and get more people to come and join our YouTube channel. I want to cook, and one day we go heaven, we don't have to cook anything. Love you people. Subscribe, and we have some more video for you. Thank you for another blessing.